The Income Tax Department has uncovered a major tax fraud conducted by 90,000 people, all salaried employees. And there are three kind of frauds which have been caught. And unfortunately, the penalty for such fraud is either paying 3x the initial tax amount due, or in some cases, even serving up to 7 years in jail. The first is taking wrongful deduction of NPS, ELSS, PPF, LIC under Section 80C to save tax without actually making any such investment, or claiming that they took health insurance or education loan when they didn't have any such deductions in reality. And this was caught by looking at how the Form 16 didn't have these deductions and the tax filers added them later, which in most cases turned out to be false. The second is showing that you made donations to political parties to make 100% deduction under Section 80 GGC. Around 400 people were caught, all IT professionals in Hyderabad, when an agent possibly promised them a refund and claimed this false deduction. The department could find out because all donor lists are public and the names were not matching as per the list. Third, a few people claimed deduction meant for foreign nations working in India. A big hub of these claims were found in Nagpur. The department matched it with immigration database and caught them. Now here's the biggest learning from all of this. First, please report all the deductions to HR so that they can be accounted for in your Form 16. Second is keep all documentary proofs of whatever deductions you take. I hope this was useful. Thanks for tuning in. Bye bye.